Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Hello again everyone. Today I'm going to show you a best 50mm Old English padlock. Oddly enough, it doesn't have any branding on the lock itself. It features 4 levers, a steel body and a steel shackle. I am going to pick this using UK Lockpicker's Ultimate Tension Tool. The keyway is very tight, but brute force will get the tool in. Then it's a case of going up and down the pack, lifting the levers into position. Thanks for watching, stay safe and I will see you all next time.